good? Hello, welcome to my video. Welcome to Pau and Kyrie's channel. Please like and subscribe and we will continue the video. Okay, let's go. So in today's video, we will be doing some stuff in the strongest battlegrounds. So while we are playing the strongest battlegrounds, did y'all know, if y'all don't play the strongest battlegrounds, y'all need to know uppercut and down slam. Yeah. And then, so I don't know what we will be playing. So you will be playing Souls RNG. Yes, Souls RNG. You'll be playing Souls RNG for a while. And then I am uploading daily. Promise. I will be. So I'm actually pro at Souls RNG. Yes, that's real. Look what I just got. Look. Yeah, I'm not flexing, but I'm just showing what I have. Yeah. Y'all don't have this. I will not be flexing. I'm not mean. I am a good person. What's this? So this video will be doing nothing but roll. Yes, that will be doing for many minutes. Yes. Maybe it will take 3 minutes, 10 minutes, or 5. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Please. Mamaya muna, mama. What did I get? Oh my block is block on the screen. Should I donate? I think I should. Yeah, I should donate. I donate 50. I donated 50. on doing that. I ain't doing those. Nah, ain't happening, bro. Nah. I'd rather get EXO than